Hi guys, Manav here and I welcome you all to Creedaz. This is the very first video of the series Ready for Rains, where we are going to talk about the concept of monsoon trekking vis-a-vis the Western Ghats. Monsoon trekking in India can be experienced in the lower Himalayas except the rain shadow regions of Ladakh and Spiti. It can also be experienced in the northeast India, though most of the regions in monsoons there are flooded. And monsoon trekking can also be experienced in the Western Ghats, starting from Kerala going all the way up to some parts of Gujrat. The time for monsoon in India starts from mid-June and it ends till late October. However, monsoon rain is received in different regions at different times. During the summer months, in the Western Ghats, the hills and the slopes are dry. They are not pleasing to the eye, and therefore trekking during summers becomes more of a struggle rather than an enjoyable activity. It is during mid-June when the monsoon hits the slopes of the Western Ghats. And as the rain hits these slopes, everything just turns green, the waterfalls come to life, and as the temperature goes down, trekking becomes an enjoyable activity. Though these downpours might, make you a little bit uncomfortable initially, but once you get the hang of it, trust me, you're going to enjoy it. If I would want to summarize in one statement, I would say trekking in monsoons in the Western Ghats is like walking amidst clouds. So guys, it is during the monsoon season that you get to experience phenomena like reverse waterfall, which is crazy. You get to cross river streams while you're trekking. And this is also the season where you'll see many researchers who are doing the research on reptiles and worms and floral and faunal species on the trail. Now, as we proceed further towards the end of July or the beginning of August, this is the time where most of the region receives huge amount of rainfall, and the interaction between human and nature becomes very, very risky, and therefore the government authorities ban most of the treks. For example, the Kumar Parvata trek in Karnataka, the very famous Andarban and Devkund waterfall trek in the outskirts of Pune in Tamini Ghat, and there are other examples like AMK and Sandan Valley in Nashik. Now again, going a little bit further, when we reach towards the end of August or the beginning of September, guys, this is the most pleasant time to experience trekking in the Western Ghats, because guys, the rains are reduced, you get much clearer views, you can see the horizon, you can get beautiful time lapses with sun rays playing with the clouds. This is also the time where the flowers bloom. So plateaus like the Karst Plateau in Maharashtra, which is also called the Valley of Flowers of southern India, comes to life, and this is the time where you can get the most out of a trek. So guys, overall, monsoon trekking is definitely a very interesting style of trekking where you are hiking when it is drizzling around, and please remember that it is the monsoons that kickstart trekking every single year in the Western Ghats, starting from mid-June till late September. So guys, this is all I had for episode 1 for Ready for Rains. In episode 2, we are going to talk about how to choose the best combination of footwear for trekking in Western Ghats during monsoons. And guys, if you're liking what you're watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video on Creedaz. And I'll be coming up with more such informative videos in future. So till then, just stay awesome and I'll see you in another one.